5 BS facts that we have heard in the photography community, and we just gotta clear it. We gotta clear the air right now.
Yeah.
Okay. We're shooting on the A1 8K. Damn, we're shooting on 8K.
That's a lot of Ks.
Hold on.
That's a lot of Ks, bro.
That's 8K. Woo. All right. Well, let's get to it. Skin smoothing. Woo. My God, I hear people in the comment section, oh, look at all this Barbie skin. That's not a real portrait.
Listen, there is no such thing as skin smoothing. At the tippy top of the portrait game, that's not a thing, right? Skin smoothing to me means that you take all of the skin and you wave the brush over all the skin in the photo, and then they look perfect. The reality is, there's a lot more that goes into that photo to get perfect skin. The model has to have some decent skin to begin with. Choosing the right lens, making sure the lighting is on point. If you have a makeup artist or something to that effect where they can take care of some of the blemishes and things, that's super important. And then when you go into Photoshop, you got a dot there. I'm gonna get that dot, and that's it. You gotta make them look good. They gotta feel good about that result. So the second complete BS thing. Have you guys seen the masterclass commercial for Annie Leibovitz?
Everyone has. My mom has. My daughter has. Everyone has.
And if you haven't seen it,
there's this idea that it's the photographer's job to set the subject at ease. I don't believe that.
She says it's not the photographer's job to set the subject at ease. Whose job is it?
All right, look. It is definitely our job. Whether you're an extrovert like him, because I think you're more introverted than me.
I'm not.
I'm extremely introverted, and I have a problem talking to people. I'm socially awkward. But you gotta understand, like, there's little tricks that you can use to make yourself comfortable. So my best trick, act like you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, fake it. And my other big one, people like to talk about themselves.
Yep.
Simple psychology, ask them a lot of questions.
I would say that to piggyback on top of that, something really important to put them at ease is to be aware of your environment. Because if you are shooting in an environment that doesn't look right, doesn't smell right, is not safe, then you're gonna have a hard time and you're gonna see it in their face. And then the other thing too is you wanna try to avoid political and religious talk.
I ain't talking no politics with a model.
No, that's game over.
BS number 3, every photographer should know how to use flash, okay?
I got 2 words for you.
Hit me.
Irene Rudnick.
Irene,
I can't remember the last time I saw her use a flash. Yep.
But Irene understands the properties of light. So at the end of the day, you don't need to learn how to use flash. You need to learn how to use light.
100%. Everything you just said, I co-sign. Done.
BS fact number 4, do seasoned, experienced photographers take bad photos? I mean, I don't take bad photos. Every photo I take is a banger. I just straight upload it to Instagram.
I honestly, every one of my photos is award winning. I actually don't put them out because I don't have the room on my wall to receive all the awards from the good photos that I take.
I feel your pain.
Yeah.
I feel it.
And then, I put those Mo presets on
My
there.
preset.
Yeah, it's just,
Take note of that.
Yeah, Mo presets.
That's all you
link
need.
in the description.
Okay, so the actual truth here is that I still take bad photos. But with the experience and the problem solving that I have gained over the years, I know how to make adjustments to get that good photo, but I'm still gonna take bad photos.
You're going to take bad photos, period. If you're not taking bad photos, you're probably not taking good photos. And so to me, it's all about training your eye. I got this Naruto mask on right now. For the Naruto fans that might be watching, you gotta train your Sharingan to see what a good photo is and what a bad photo is, because guess what? There's a lot of people that think that their photos were good that actually were kind of bad.
All right, BS fact number 5. You need a UV filter in front of your lens.
To protect it? Is that what it is?
To protect it.
Is it like Iron Man?
You pay a lot of money for glass, you want to protect it, right?
I mean, in theory, it kind of makes sense, right? You got this expensive glass or this expensive lens. You want to put that filter on it to protect it. But here's the reality. Modern lenses, and I'm talking like any lenses that you would buy in like this current era, has special protection on the lens already built in. These lenses have been made by these very intelligent people. They put just enough elements and optics inside of the lens body to get you a great image. Don't go messing up their lens recipe by putting a UV filter on it. It's just like if you make a bomb meal, right? I'm not just gonna go ahead and just squirt some ketchup on top of that or put some A1 sauce on that. You know what I mean? Like,
pun intended.
Yeah, definitely.
Shooting on the A1. BS fact bonus number 6. Are you as good as your last photo?
Ooh.
This one wasn't even rehearsed. I just kind of made this up because I'm opinionated. Okay, I don't believe in this because sometimes I get hesitant to post.
Sure.
Because I feel like that work is not exceeding the one before that got 15, 20,000 likes. I don't think that. I think
and that's what breaks your mental health.
Yes.
Right there. It's a mental health problem.
You're never always gonna be in the A game.
I'm gonna age myself right now, right? Michael Jordan didn't come out every game and score 60 or 70 points. There were times that he went out to play and he couldn't make a bucket to save his life. But he's still one of the greatest of all time.
Such a good analogy. Damn it, how you doing?
I just make analogies like that.
That was a good one though. All right, the king of outros is here, baby. And I'm gonna try to close this video out in the most non-awkward way possible. Tear him apart on the UV filters, okay? He paid me to say it. I don't believe it. Don't listen to him, okay? A1 and 8K, 30p, thank you very much for cropping in on me right now.
I think it's not shooting at 30.
Oh, it does. I mean, damn it. Okay. I can't do it, bro. I suck. Just outro. Just outro then, please. Just outro, please. I can't do it. I suck.
Oh, man. Ridiculous. All right, so that was 5.5. Just complete, total, utter nonsense BS things that you probably heard. Let us know in the comment section whether or not these are things that you've heard and whether or not you agree with our opinions or not. As you can see, Manny is just reeling from all of the BS that was being spouted on this video. So sound off in the comment section below. Manny, you got anything to say?
My mom's calling me. I gotta go.
Oh man, see that's total BS right there, man. This is
just please rag him on the UV filter. That's all. That's all. There you go.